All right, let's continue for some points to remember from the Millionaire Real Estate Investor book. If you haven't got this book, get one. If they have one with tabs, you probably want to get that one. My name is Dave. I think real estate investing could change your life. And let's just go ahead and look at some points to remember. So, many high achieving investors have faced fears or doubts about investing that ultimately proved unfounded. These common myth understandings can stand between you and true financial wealth building. Examining them can ultimately free you to pursue your dreams. So, buying real estate for the purpose of investments and building financial wealth, right? It's so you can accomplish your dreams by making the kind of money you really want. It may take a while, but you can do it and you can get started. Now, yes, you do need to be an investor. Chances are your current job income and savings plan will not be nearly enough to build true financial wealth. Your job is your job. Building financial wealth is something else, right? So if you think about that, your working life, your income generating life at some point is going to end or come to a slower pace, right? Especially as we get older, unless you set it up right. And if you invest in real estate and buy buildings over time, as your personal income production level slows down, your working life, you still have those investments which are going to be able to provide you with a beautiful longevity for financial wealth, which is what we're looking for. Yes, you do need and want to be financially wealthy. Becoming an investor is about preparing for the minimums and the maximums in your life. Instead of forgetting your dreams and living within your means, pursue the means to live your dreams. That's pretty good, right? Pursue the means to live your dreams. So you can have more things. You can have a better life. You got to start believing that, and you got to start pursuing that. And just remember, one step at a time. First start learning and growing, and then start investing and building wealth, which is what you really want to do. Yes, you can do it. Don't place limits on your financial potential. I can't is just a rationale for not trying. Believe that true financial wealth is possible for you no matter where you are in your life. So you have to start with belief, right? Nothing was accomplished first without believing it. So you can become financially free. You can build wealth through buying real estate. But it's like a baby learning how to walk, right? That baby's not exactly going to be running day one. It takes a while. No, so let's keep going, right? No, investing doesn't need to be complicated. It's only as complicated as you make it. Learn the basics and build on them over time. Great investing can be learned if you take it slow, start with the basics, and follow proven models. So obviously you don't know much about investing just yet, but as time goes on, you're obviously going to get better, right? If you start swimming, you don't know how to swim right away, but as time goes on, you just get better, and then you get better and better and better, and then people go, why? How do you have all these amazing things? And then you can look at them and say, I'm an investor. Yes, you must invest in what you know. Pick an area and become an expert over time. Real estate investing is one of the easiest areas in which to acquire this expert knowledge and understanding. You know, it's fairly simple, most of the real estate stuff. It is a little complicated as well, but most well-to-do investors use high-quality realtors like myself at DNA Realty Group in order to be able to have somebody on their side to help them. So there are people that can help you. Investing isn't about taking risk. It's about following sound investment principles and models, thereby taking the risk out of the game, right? So, you know, you're not going to buy a house that's worth $1 million for $10 million, right? So you're not going to do stupid things. And that's all you have to really pay attention to. You know, most of it is just common sense, right? Timing is important, but it's not active, not passive. Opportunities cannot be observed from the sidelines. You must be in the game. Timing isn't about being in the right place at the right time. It's about being in the right place all the time. So before we put our 4-unit under agreement, we had to put in so many offers, right? But we bought it in a market that's hot, which is current right now, right? Everybody's like, don't buy. Or some people are like, I'll wait. But listen, 30 years from now, that piece of property, all the properties here are going to be much higher in appreciation than what they are today. So the price is going to be higher. Just like 30 years ago, these buildings used to sell for 20 and 40,000. They're going to be selling for so much more. So don't wait. Get in the game. Get ready to go. No, the good investments are not all taken. Opportunities are always there in every market and in every time. Yes, they will all be taken by someone, but realize that someone could be you, right? So you could be in the game and buying investment properties as well. And investment properties, there are deals in every single market, right? So I bought my first property a year and a half ago, buying another property currently right now, and if you think about it, that's the hottest market, and I'm finding deals, right? So just realize what it is, Step past short-term thinking. Small investments can have extraordinary implications over time thanks to the power of compounding. So the more you buy and the bigger the opportunities get for you, and if you think about it, if you're in a business longer, you're going to end up meeting more and more people, and then eventually you are going to build the kind of wealth that you want. My name is Dave, DNA Realty Group. If you want to talk more about investing, go ahead and comment below, and we will do our best to help you, and good luck. Those are some of the reasons that you should invest and some of the points that you should remember.